In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pipedrive as a solo founder in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have your workspace connected, your favorite tools lined up, and your data ready to go, so you can focus on closing deals instead of wrestling with setup. Start at the top right of your screen and click your profile icon. From there, open Personal Preferences. This is your home base for connections. Here, you can sync your email, contacts, calendars, Google Drive, and other devices to build a workspace that keeps everything in one place. Take a moment to choose only what you truly need. If you rely on one primary email account, connect that first so your conversations automatically appear on deals and contacts. Syncing your calendar ensures meetings show up alongside your sales activities, which is great for staying on top of follow-ups. Connecting Google Drive lets you attach proposals and files to deals without digging through folders. As you connect services, review the options the sync provides, such as how to handle duplicates or whether to sync both ways. If you ever change tools later, you can return here to adjust or disconnect a service without losing your core setup. Next, look at the top right again and click the My Apps button, then choose Browse Marketplace. This is where you can find integrations that add extra power to your Pipedrive workspace. Think of it as your toolbox. You can add form capture tools to bring in new leads, meeting schedulers to reduce back and forth, or accounting apps to keep deals and invoices aligned. Before installing anything, skim the app description, check permissions, and glance at reviews so you know exactly what it does. Start simple with the 1 or 2 integrations that will save you the most time today, and you can always add more later as your process grows. Finally, head to the left sidebar, click the 3 dots icon, and select Import. Here you can bring in a CSV or Excel file to load your contacts, leads, deals, and more. Prepare your spreadsheet with clear column headers like name, email, phone, and organization, so mapping is straightforward. During the import, match each column to the correct Pipedrive field, and make sure unique identifiers such as email are mapped to help prevent duplicates. If you're unsure, try importing a small sample first to confirm everything lands where you expect. When it's done, spot check a few records to verify contacts, leads, and deals are linked correctly. That's it. With your connections synced, your key apps discovered, and your data imported, your Pipedrive is ready to support your solo founder workflow from day one.